Hi, I'm Lori Ballen. I earn 6 figures in affiliate marketing. Today, I want to give you several ways that I make money as an affiliate marketer. You can then look at your business and your brand and what you do and see what might fit for you. Affiliate marketing is purely this: when I promote somebody else's product or service and send that customer over and they make a purchase, then I receive a bonus, a commission, an earnings, whatever you want to call it. Now, I'm a real estate agent also, and how this started for me is I was sending referrals to another real estate agent, and they would then pay me a referral fee. Guys, that is affiliate marketing. Then, as I started teaching and training, I started setting up relationships with the software that I was teaching on, and I started earning income from the software. After that, I opened a marketing company and I started integrating software into the websites that I was building. And each one of these software elements also has an affiliate opportunity, and I make money that way. Now, let me talk about a couple of other things. So the first ones, I just actually gave you several strategies. And one, strategic partnerships, finding other people that are in the same industry as you or do something similar that you can promote and send business their way, and they will pay you a referral. I'm doing that right now. I've got some people that have built courses. Now, I started with my course in 2013 with the Ballen method, and over time, it's gotten to be quite the challenge just to keep it all updated. So now I like to refer to people that have courses that are of a specific niche within that umbrella that I'm teaching. So for example, I have somebody that has a YouTube course, so I can send people to the YouTube course. I have somebody else that has a Facebook ad course. I can send people over there, and then I make an affiliate relationship. So step one, strategic relationships. Who can you refer to that you can make an affiliate commission on? Now, I do want to let you know before I go into the next big strategies that you must disclose affiliate relationships. So you must say, when you provide a link or any kind of information, you must say, I do receive a financial benefit when you sign up for this software. So it needs to be obvious. The regulations are pretty strict with saying you can't just bury it in a disclaimer at the bottom of your website. You have to disclose that you're making money. So I'm always very open and honest with that. With my clients, with people that sign up for software, with my links. If you're promoting something on Facebook, you should at least hashtag ad or hashtag affiliate link. On my Facebook, on my YouTube, on everything, I have a disclaimer. On my Pinterest, I let everybody know that I make money when you sign up for this software. They've got to know that. It's very strict regulations. You don't want to get in trouble, okay? Now behind me, I'm shooting this video this way for a reason, because behind me are some items that I make affiliate marketing commissions on, okay? So for one of the things that you can do is talk about products you use. So you could do these in the form of reviews, product reviews. You could have a YouTube channel where you review everything in your house and then put affiliate links to those items, or Amazon links to those items that you make commission on. Or you can introduce them as you're using them. So for example, behind me, you'll see I've got a nice Apple monitor. I have a printer over here on my desk. I have a Diva light ring, tabletop light ring for video shooting. Now today I have no special lighting on at all because I wanted to just kind of show you the items back there. I've got a paper shredder down there on the bottom. I've got my Edison lamp over there in the corner. I've got my family tree thing up there. And so all of these things, it's in some capacity, I talk about in my videos. And then when people ask, what is that ring behind you? I have a link to that item. Now I will put a link to these items in my YouTube video so you can check them out. They are affiliate links, and I do benefit if you make a purchase. Now over here on this table, I have a trunk club box from Nordstrom, and then over there on the corner of the room, which I don't think you can see, oh, you can see it, it's right there. There's a Stitch Fix box, and what I do is I unbox these things. So after I make this video, I'm going to go unbox that trunk club box. I'm going to show everything that's in the box, and I'm going to get people's opinions and I'm going to keep some of the items and send some of the items back. And if somebody signs up for Trunk Club, then I get a discount or something off of my next Trunk Club. I don't even know what it is. I'd have to go look at it. And then the same with the Stitch Fix. I think that's 25 bucks when people sign up for the Stitch Fix. So I like to unbox it, show it to everybody, and then put the coupon in there, because a lot of these coupons, if you use them, you save money, and then I also get money. My Rothy's shoes, for example, they have a save $20 coupon. So every time I share it, somebody gets $20 and I get $20 off of my shoes. Their expensive shoes are $140. So once I do that 7 times, I get a free pair of shoes. So I've got like 13 pair of Rothy's, and I think I've only paid for 3. So that's kind of how that works. Now, here's my suggestion. I want to give you a couple of tips here. What I just referred to, all of that stuff I just referred to, is really kind of influencer marketing, influencer affiliate marketing. What you're doing is you're leading by example. You're telling stories. You're talking about products. You're sharing them with people who trust you, who believe in you. That's more influencer marketing, okay? So that is one major strategy, and I will tell you that my 6 figures that I earn every year on affiliate marketing is primarily through influencer marketing, what I just described. Now, just recently, I've gotten into monetizing my websites with ads. Now I'm monetizing my YouTube channel. So those are kind of sponsored advertisements, but people also look at those as affiliate programs, okay? And then, so basically what I'm doing is I'm generating traffic to my websites, generating traffic to YouTube, and then ads run on my channel, and I get paid by Google. Okay, so that's another strategy. Another strategy is to blog. And this is the most popular affiliate strategy. It's been around for quite a while now, and I'm really growing that now as well. And that's when you blog about things. So for example, yesterday I did one on my midlifemonarch.com website. That's my midlife woman lifestyle blog. And I did a blog on the top trending swimsuits for 2019 for women over 50, right? So the top swimsuit trends for women over 50. And I've got things like the knotted bathing suit, yellow, high rise, high cut, retro bathing suits. And then what I do is I put in affiliate links to swimsuits that match those items, okay? So then I can share that blog on the search engines. I can email it out to my list. I can make it part of my newsletter. I could run a pay-per-click ad to the blog. I can pin the blog. So that's also a great way. Same with software. I write blogs every day on how to lead generate, how to rank on the search engines, how to rank on YouTube, how to do keyword research. This is what I live, so I teach it. And of course, I am a teacher at heart anyway. So when I teach those items, I put in, here's my favorite YouTube software, which by the way, you'll find in a link in this video. And if you do end up making a purchase, I do benefit financially. So I'll put in there, this is my favorite keyword tool. This is where I build my websites. And blogging the top 10 real estate agent websites, the top 10 apps every real estate agent must have. And then I go in and build affiliate relationships with each one of those things. Now, you're gonna ask, how do I go build the affiliate relationship? So step 1, you should have a website, okay? Most of these affiliate places still want you to have a website. So go set up a website. A business license is ideal. A lot of them are going to want a W-9, but you can put in your social security number if you don't have an EIN number. But they are looking to deal with legitimate businesses. So get your website set up. And then you go on to any product or service you want, go to their website, scroll down to the bottom and look for the word affiliates or referrals. If it says affiliates or referrals, click it, put in your application, okay? Now be careful, make sure that you are established, that you've got your website up, because they're gonna look at it. They wanna see that your brand matches their brand. You know, they want to see that you guys are in alignment, that it makes sense. If I'm a keto weight loss coach and I go apply for bone broth affiliate, that's a slam dunk. But if I'm a keto weight loss coach and I go sign up for couches, it may not be a slam dunk because there's not necessarily a match there. Another thing you could do is sign up for things like cj.com, vigilink.com, maxbounty.com. Go over to my website, the7thstream.com. the7thstream.com. I've got everything you need to know about starting your affiliate marketing business. I'm Lori Ballen. Thank you so much for joining me today.